Whatever. What are you doing? Fucking idiot. You almost got yourself.
Lleva horas sin salir, los demás ya han empezado a ir, lo van a hacer sufrir. Lleva horas sin salir, los demás ya han empezado a ir, lo van a hacer sufrir.
Time I'm in a situation where someone says no, or I get over, or this and that, my whole thinking is, I'll show you. I use it as energy. I'll show you.
He does that.
It's like revenge almost,
like
right?
Marvel wrote movies just.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God.
Call the 911.
Hold on a minute. Oh my God, I gotta get.
Somebody else is calling.
Are they? Oh my God, did they get run over?
No, I saw him sliding into the.
Did somebody call?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Mary McCord, she is a constitutional, she is one of my colleagues, or I'm one of her colleagues. She is also co-host of an absolutely wonderful podcast. Things that's amazing about Melissa is she speaks law and she speaks English, and she's also funny, and she also has a bon mot for everything, which I think, is that French? Yeah, I think that's French. With Leah Littman and Kate Shaw, both of whom are equally fantastic. And one of the things that's amazing about Melissa is she speaks law and she speaks English, and she's also funny, and she also has a bon mot for everything, which I think, is that French? Yeah.
That is the letter of the resolution here. The actual cost of this was immense. Nothing could have been bigger. I mean, we spent the whole first section of this episode talking about how
how'd you come out of that way?
Microsoft was so powerful, had never been.
Takes his eyes off the screen and sneaks a glance at Google Chairman Eric Schmidt and the leader of Google Brain, Jeff Dean. They're watching the monitor with unreadable expressions. The fact that both men flew all the way to Seoul for this proves just how important Google is taking this match. Creating an AI that can beat Go is one of the holy grails of AI research, and Facebook is nipping at Google's heels.
Destroying a huge yard full of recreational vehicles. That was just east of the busy Manning Town Center shopping complex. While a few recreational
Jesus. Run that Lexus over. Apparently stop means go.
rock and roll.
Oh, oh, ew! Oh gosh! What happened? Put your four-ways on.
Somebody crashed.
Just wrecked. I don't think you should get out. People are still going fast. What are you doing, honey?
I'm gonna do this back here so people start slowing down. That truck came flying down there.
He's out. The person's out. I think we can get out. We can drive past them. They're walking.
No, I think that.
Well, he's on his phone. 100%.
running it, so they can't leave the animals. There's no hope of them coming back here, even for a short while. But now we've got the money from Miles's mum. Well, we could afford it.
So why don't you go out?
Well, Pam says she doesn't need from Miles's mum. Well, we could afford it.
So why don't you go out?
Well, Pam says she doesn't want us out there if her father is still drinking. She doesn't want Jabe to see him in that condition.
What a small child. Surely will not notice.
Well, that's what Pam says. And anyway...
I'll pull you down. So, do you like what you've seen of our country so far?
Oh, I think it's wonderful. I'm having the best time of my life. I've never been so happy.
Well, going back to stereotypes, nobody could accuse you of being a whinging bomb, did they? Most of the people I've had in my interior have found something to criticise about my country.
Oh, I apologise on behalf of my fellow Pops.
Something to criticise about my country.
Oh, I apologise on behalf of my fellow Pops.
Apology accepted. But what is it about Australia that you find so great?
Oh, it's because I'm here with my family. My daughter lives here with her husband. And my granddaughter, who is the most beautiful